Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I have so much to talk about hair and my hair care routine and so many tips and tricks and do's and don'ts that I like to follow for a good hair health. Now it's just a disclaimer that I am not saying that I have the best hair and I have figured everything out. Hair care is a journey that I've learned over the years and I'm still learning a lot of things about hair care. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Now before starting this video, I just want to make a few things clear. The first thing is that your hair quality and the texture and everything in general depends upon genetics. So if your parents have had good hair, you are automatically going to have good hair. So when it comes to my parents, like my mother, she has had long brown hair, but she has had no baldness. She has had hair fall issues. She still does have hair fall issues, and there are many other issues that she has dealt with. Luckily, I've been able to control the hair fall that I had. But apparently I'm still struggling with dryness, roughness, texture. It's just not there where I would want, like how I would want my hair to be. So it's still in the whole process and it's a whole journey. So yeah, that's a few things that I want to tell. And the number two thing that really matters is बहुत बार क्या होता है, sometimes your vitamin D levels, your vitamin B12 levels and your thyroid gets disturbed. So उस वजह से भी आपको बहुत सारे hair issues हो सकते हैं. So if you have any of these issues, it's better that you get it checked by a doctor, or just in general you can go for a regular checkup with a doctor, and of course it will really make a huge difference. Then comes the diet. अगर आपकी diet सही नहीं है, if there's like constant junk food in your diet, you're not taking enough proteins, there's not enough green leafy vegetables, it's automatically going to affect your hair health. So all these factors can really affect your hair growth, and I am not a professional. This is just from my experience that I want to bring out. So yeah, so I have medium long brown hair and बिल्कुल ही natural light में I'm showing you guys my hair. So कुछ इतना length है मेरा, like it's up till here. So I think that's for my hair. And coming to the color, so मेरे बालों का कलर बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज होता रहता है. Like sometimes it becomes very dark brown, sometimes it will become light brown plus dark brown, and plus I do have grey hair, so it's right here. Yeah, so that is it. And grey hair का भी main reason होता है आपका vitamin B12 deficiency. That is one of the biggest reason. So I used to have it, now I don't have it, but I'm still consuming vitamin B12 capsules on a regular basis. Okay, अब मैंने इतनी सारी बातें कर ली है. Now I really want to talk about my hair care routine because I know you guys are here for it. So the very first step that I like to follow when I have to wash my hair is to comb or massage my scalp. उससे बहुत बड़ा फर्क पड़ जाता है. That actually allows the penetration of all the oils in your scalp, which helps your scalp to grow better hair. So उस प्रोसेस के लिए आई लाइक टू फॉलो एक वुडन कॉम ले लो, कोई सा भी, लाइक एनी. आई शो यू माइन. दिस इज द वुडन कॉम दैट आई यूज टू कॉम माई हेयर लाइक दिस. आई नो कि प्लास्टिक कॉम से कितना हेयर फॉल होता है, सो आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड दिस टू एवरीबडी. इससे क्या होता है ना कि आपका स्कैल्प जो है ना कॉन्स्टेंट बेसिस पे मसाज्ड फील करता है. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू डू दिस बिफोर आई वॉश माई हेयर. एंड द सेकेंड स्टेप इज हेयर ऑयलिंग. सो जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैं इस वीडियो में बात करूंगी उन सबको मैं यहाँ स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले करा दूंगी, वट एवर प्रोडक्ट्स आई यूज. सो आई लाइक टू यूज महाभृंगराज ऑयल क्योंकि मैंने सुना था कि उससे हेयर फॉल रुकता है. इट हेल्प्स इन लाइक reversal of gray hair. So I felt like maybe I should give it a try. So I've been using it and honestly my experience has not been that bad. I apply it and keep it for like an hour or two and then I wash it off. Like just wash it off. That's all I do for in terms of my pre-hair wash, and that's the only thing that has been very consistent for such a long time. For over a year I've been using Mahabhringraj oil. It works, but the fact is that you have to use it in a very less quantity and you have to be regular with it. I use it once a week because I have oily scalp, so मेरे को बहुत जल्दी build up हो जाता है. So anyway, I do not want to load my scalp with lot of oils and everything, so I avoid lot of oil. So what I do is सिर्फ अपने roots में I like to massage Mahabhringraj oil, and up until now it has been really helpful for me, to be very honest. I like it. Just keep it for 2 hours and then I wash it off in the shower. And for the ends of my hair I like to use coconut oil because I have like really like high porosity hair, like dry hair, I don't know what do we call it, मैं confuse हूँ. But ये जो है ना मेरा ये end बालों का ये बहुत ऐसा dry हो जाता है. And I like to make sure that I'll apply a lot of like generous amount of coconut oil on my ends and from midlands so that एक nourishment मिले बालों को. तो मैं I like to coat my hair with lots of coconut oil so that way you know it really softens my hair and hair fall भी काफ़ी कम हो जाता है. So that's all I do before my hair wash, and then I take a shower after 1 or 2 hours. Sometimes it exceeds to like 3 hours also, but that's very rare. Otherwise 2 hours. And मैं बहुत overload नहीं करती हूँ अपने सिर में तेल को. I just don't like lot of hair oil, but मैं थोड़ा amount ऐसा रखना पसंद करती हूँ कि थोड़ा बहुत हो मेरे सर में. Coming to my hair wash product in the shower, I like to use any shampoo from L'Oreal. I think L'Oreal makes the best shampoos. I don't like Dove shampoo at all. I am obsessed with Dove body care range, but not with its shampoo. It's not good at all. I don't use Head and Shoulders. I've not used Pantene. I don't use Tresemme. Almost every drugstore shampoo I don't like to use. I think they just don't work out for me. I really like L'Oreal. I think L'Oreal makes great innovative shampoos. Currently, literally कोई सा भी आप L'Oreal का शैम्पू पिक कर सकते हो for like if you want to go for like scalp cleaning वाला factor, L'Oreal shampoos do it great. I like to wash my hair twice. Once with the L'Oreal shampoo जो drugstore shampoo है. Second, I like to go in with a different layer of shampoo which is like more moisturizing and more for like healthier hair. So in that case, I like to use this shampoo. This is the Vela shampoo. ये मुझे एक salon ने recommend किया था, and since then I've been using it for like 2 months. I'm not sure if this is like this is even worth it to say, but I have been using it. I don't love it. Honestly, I've not seen any crazy difference with it. I love L'Oreal ka shampoo. It has been working for me. Coming to this shampoo, I am still not sure if this is the shampoo that you should go for. It's good. It's very expensive. It's for like 1200 or 1300. On the sale I got it for like 1000 rupees, and since then I have been using it. Not sure if it works. I just use it once a week after the L'Oreal shampoo, like the cleanse of the hair. I like to use it. Now if this is like an investment, do I recommend this? I'm still not sure. Let me finish the bottle, then I will give more in-depth review. But currently I'm not seeing any difference with it. So if you want to skip this, you can skip it and like rather switch to the L'Oreal shampoo only, and that should be enough. Much affordable option. Now, after shampooing, I prefer to use hair mask over a hair conditioner. I don't like hair conditioners at all. I mean, I just do not. I have a hair conditioner. I'm trying to make it work, but something is very off. Okay, something is very off. So what I like to do is I like to use a hair mask, and the hair mask that I've been loving and completely obsessed is this. I cannot even tell you how much I love this hair mask. This is such a good hair mask. Dove makes very good hair masks. Unlike its shampoo, I love this hair mask a lot. I'm actually using like decent quantity of it. You can see it right here. Like I have used decent quantity of it. So this is the Shine Revive treatment 10 in 1. ये shine के लिए है, but I think it has also smoothened my hair out. Like my hair has felt so much better after using it, and I love it because बहुत ही अच्छे से इसने मेरे बालों के especially the midlands को बहुत अच्छे से smoothen out किया हुआ है. So that's what I love about this. And apart from that, I also love the fact कि ये 400 rupees का है and it will last you for like 3-4 months minimum. So it's a win for me, and I love this hair mask. इसका एक और hair mask है इसी category में. I am not sure इसका blue one. This is the purple one. There is a blue one. वो भी बहुत अच्छा है, तो you can check it. Okay, so then I'm out of the shower and I like to use a microfiber towel which is right here in front of me. But that towel can make a lot of difference. Okay, आपको काफी बार गीलेपन में बाल कंघी नहीं करने हैं. You have to make sure कि आप अपने बालों को अच्छे से सुखाओ using a microfiber towel. It's a very basic thing. बहुत cheap है, कहीं पे भी मिल जाती है, easily available on Meesho, on Amazon. even on Nykaa, so you can check out it from there. Okay, once I'm out of the shower, अब मेरा आधे से ज़्यादा काम खत्म ही हो चुका है. मैं सिर्फ हेयर सीरम यूज़ करूँगी, and the serum that I love currently is the Biolage hair serum. It is the most basic shine revive. I love that hair serum. It works very nicely on my hair. I think that hair serum really smoothens my hair out without any split ends, and just makes my hair smoother and shinier and better. This doesn't have any heat protection, but I don't mind. I'm quite lazy in that terms. I know it's very bad, but currently I'm liking it, so yeah. Okay, so that is for my hair care routine. Super simple, super easy, super basic. And I'm gonna talk about some of the hair things that I like to do in general. I have been taking vitamin B12, vitamin D, and thyroid medication since the last year, and they have been showing me results. But again, you need to give your hair some time. My hair has definitely become better. पानी की क्वालिटी बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है. आप जहाँ भी रहते हो, अगर वहाँ पे पानी की क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होगी तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके बाल बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो जाएंगे. फिर चाहे आप कुछ भी यूज़ कर लो, योर हेयर विल नॉट लुक गुड. सो दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द थिंग दैट आई हैव लर्नड एंड आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इज दैट यू आप क्या कंज्यूम कर रहे हो, आप किस तरीके के पानी से अपने बाल धो रहे हो, ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है. ऑफकोर्स आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स क्या इनकॉर्पोरेट कर रहे हो, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट होल थिंग, बट यू स्टिल नीड टू कीप इन माइंड कि अगर आपके बालों में बहुत ही ज़्यादा डैमेज हो रखा है, बहुत ज़्यादा हेयर फॉल हो रखी है, सो दीज फैक्टर्स कैन रियली अफेक्ट, क्योंकि हार्ड वाटर से भी बाल बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो जाते हैं. एंड आई नो मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज़ का प्रॉब्लम यही है. जो भी मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज़ में रहते हैं, दे विल नो दिस कि वहाँ पे पानी अच्छा नहीं मिलता है, वहाँ पे खाना भी अच्छा नहीं मिलता है. सो you should figure it out. Try to eat more nuts. I think more whole foods in general. If you consume whole foods, it will be better for your hair health in a longer term. क्योंकि products भी सिर्फ तब तक ही वर्क करेंगे जब तक आप उन्हें यूज कर रहे हो. Your lifestyle also really matters. What is your lifestyle? आप कब सो रहे हो, कब उठ रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, what kind of life you have in general can really affect it. And I've recently realized it. I do pay a lot of attention to all these lifestyle things in my life, क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत important है ये. I anyway like to live a healthy life, and just make sure that you keep these things in track also. कि it's not just about the product, but it's also the external things when it comes to hair. If your hair quality is deteriorated, it can be because of your lifestyle changes, it can be because of your bad diet, and so many other things. So you can get a whole test done, and then you can start taking up supplements based upon your report. So I hope I made sense. I will make more maybe updated video on my hair routine once I crack it. अभी मैंने ऐसा कुछ क्रैक नहीं किया, बस मुझे वीडियो बनानी थी एंड मुझे लगा था कि I should share my insights on it. So yeah, and yeah, that is it. It brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also do let me know what more do you want to watch, and yeah, that is it. Bye guys, see you next time.